Hello, I'm Melody from Ghana, and I want to introduce a project called Gram Free. Gram Free has come and stay, and it's helping a lot of people around the world. All you need to do is to perform the daily activities. My brother, first of all, you sign in. After signing, you choose either Facebook or Google accounts. After that, then you choose your Gmail account. It will open for you. You do your smart contract, sign your smart contract, confirm your smart contract, do rollings 5 times daily, and each will take 1 hour. After that, you invite friends, you watch daily videos, and each gram, 1 gram, gives you $2. My brothers and sisters, what are you waiting for? Melody, I'm enjoying. I want to invite you to come enjoy. Thank you.